This is a 2021. It's the Ram 1500 Bighorn package, the 5.7 V8, a good old Hemi. We just did the 5-inch tips, nice black double wall tips out the back. Took the 4 inches off there, and it really fills it up really nice, along with the resonator deletes on both sides. Put a single chamber B-tube muffler where the factory muffler is. Should give it a nice throaty sound. It's all factory up front. Should be rumbling pretty good. Let's see what it sounds like. A little humid out today, a little moisture coming out.